Merry Christmas, everyone. This Mentalist here, and I'm here bringing you a pack opening of Cells of Valhalla, along with the legendary duelist, White Dragon Abyss. Let's open Cells of Valhalla first. Alrighty, let's see what we get from this. No Ass Blossom. I hate that card. Armor Ninjutsu Art of Rust Miss. Okay. Super Art of Super Transformation. Okay. Upstart Go Ninja. This can be a ninja pack. I like how it is. Yellow Ninja. This card's a Ninja League as it's a ninja pack confirmed. Alistair the Invoker. Well, it's a ninja pack basically. Let's get on to our two White Dragon Abyss. Now let's see what we get from these two. First off, this pack. Okay, let's see. First off, Melody of Waking Dragons, Cyber Twin Dragon, Abyss Grip Open Ceremony, Photon Vassar, and can we get something? Abyss Actor Trendy Understudy. Well, it's something. Let's get on to our last pack. Can we pull Broken out of this? Let's see. Let's see. Dragon Shrine, good for dragons. Cyber Twin again. Abyss Actor Trendy Understudy. Abyss Actor Fantasy Theater, and Cyber Repair Plant. Well, we pulled okay. Again, Merry Christmas. This is Dimensional signing off.